Any troubles that we think or we feel we have, my desire is to transform it into more desire. Always transform troubles into desire. So let's do a little meditation, shall we? Okay, so now we're looking at those 3 letters. Let's close our eyes. Short meditation. Close our eyes, put our feet firmly on the ground, uncross them, take 3 deep breaths in and out, in and out, in and out. And now imagine any situation that you're in, maybe a relationship that was going really well at some point, maybe a job that was going really well and you loved your job at some point, even your health, maybe you were feeling good and healthy, now you're not feeling so well. So let's imagine ourselves in that scenario. Put yourself in that scenario. Now, continue to breathe normally in and out. Now imagine, again, you can take a quick look. Look at the 3 letters Tzara. Tzadik, Resh, Hey. Even you don't know what they are, just look at them. Troubles. Think of your troubles. Think of the difficulty. Think of the pain that you feel. Think of, if you're not feeling well, think of the feeling that you have, not feeling well. Think of the pain. Think of the loss that you feel at losing whatever it is that you've lost. Work, important client, opportunity, relationship, the love of someone who you cared about once. Feel the pain, and don't be afraid to feel the pain, because it's important to feel the pain, because the pain will assist us in creating an imprint in our consciousness where new light can now be. So meditate first on the pain, on the loss. Feel it. If you can cry, cry. Experience it. Now, look at the second 3 letters, Ritzeh. Ritzeh means desire. Look at those 3 letters and try to imagine white light coming from those 3 letters into your head and filling your entire body. First the head, then your neck, your arms, your torso, all the organs of your body, your legs, your feet. And this light is the light of passion. This light is the light of desire. Intense desire. Desire that you never felt before. Desire to double, to triple what you had. Desire to have the most amazing relationship, or relationship that you wouldn't even be able to recognize with someone who you can't even imagine. Desire for work or job or clients that's going to provide for you more sustenance than you can ever dream of. Desire for health, to feel amazing energized, passionate about life, happy, excited in a new way, a new exciting way that you never felt before. Ritzei, the power of positive desire to be filled with the light of fulfillment in any way, shape, or form, all of it combined. That light is coming through you, within you. And the last step is to allow it to pass through you and share it with all of the people in your life. The energy of complete positive desire to fulfill every need, every positive desire. Because when all needs, all positive desires are fulfilled, there's no room for negativity. There's no need for anyone to look at what anyone else has. I'm going to count to 3. The count of 3. Slowly open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Be blessed, everyone. Go with desire. Go with passion. Be happy.